It is cold outside. They pack inside.
We leave today. Hurry up.
I work now. One more email.
Look, time is going. Move fast.
My suitcase is big. I am tired. I can't find my charger.
Passports are on the table.
Dad, hold this folder.
Okay, I will.
Where is it? I am upset. I need nice clothes.
Fold the clothes. Put them in.
I must finish this email.
These cables are messy.
Check under your bed.
Okay, I will. I am under the bed now. I found it. Yes.
Close the laptop, Dad.
Okay. I stop now. I get my jacket. Let's go.
Pack your suit.
A suit? Really? Oh, formal night, okay.
No laptop in the bag.
Okay. No laptop.
It is so heavy. My game is low battery.
All together, ready?
Yes, let's go.
They go outside with luggage.
Follow me. This way.
I check my phone. Quick.
I feel nervous. My backpack is heavy.
Bag 1 is okay.
Bag 2 is okay.
Emma, it is too heavy.
Oh no! But I need my things.
Open the suitcase now.
Shoes and dresses are inside.
Which shoes do I keep?
Keep 2, take 2 out.
I help, but I am tired. My backpack is too full.
Close it, pull the zipper. Good, it is 50 now.
Okay, thank you.
Here are our boarding passes.
They wait in security line.
I put my devices in the bin.
Beep. Oh, sorry. It is my belt. I try again.
Jack, don't touch my charger. I won't. I want the window seat. Me too.
Stop. Jack gets it now.
Wow, I see the sky. I hate the middle seat.
I read our cruise plan. Dad, phone away.
Okay.
The plane flies above clouds. They wait for bags in Miami. Palm trees and sunshine. They ride to the hotel. They check in at the hotel.
Thank you for the keys.
I press the button. Jack, stop.
They walk to the room. Thé hanté. Bag drop done.
I fix my hair. TV time. I am bored.
Put papers here. Nice and neat.
I stapled the luggage tags.
The tags show the cabin number.
Mine is done. Fast. Mine is neat. Slow. You are too slow. I am careful.
Stop arguing, please.
Where are the documents? Can't find them. Oh no.
Breathe, we can fix it.
No papers here. I feel bad.
We still have time. Let's go.
They get in a car fast.
Are we late, Mom?
No, we are okay. Calm down, Jack.
Okay.
Gentle humming returns.
Dad, be careful next time.
I know. Sorry.
Dad runs into the hotel. The folder is on the knitstand.
I got it. Let's go.
Slowly fades out.
They drive to Port Miami. The ship looks huge.
Wow, that ship is big.
Many people wait in line.
Here are our papers.
Staff check the documents. Mom gets the cabin cards. They walk up to the ship.
Bunk beds, so cool. I want the top bed. Wi-Fi is expensive.
They stand in the safety drill. A crew member shows the life jacket. Taube continue.